Hi everyone, happy Friday. I am showcasing a few projects that we have online, as well as an event that we have upcoming at Backyard Vineyard. So in October, we are full of our fall decor and Halloween decor. If you're watching today, feel free to post any comments below. Let us know where you're watching from. And if you are a DIY subscriber, our October theme is Halloween. So we're always 1 month ahead of the season so that you have time to DIY and enjoy your projects at home. We have our tiered tray, our 3-tiered tray set up here with all of the extras. So we have our subscription box, which is the Halloween theme. We have our fun peg people that we have painted. So there's 5 peg people in our set. So we call that our trick-or-treaters. And some super fun little accessories that we picked up along the way too. So we have this like crow that we've added. There's a rat and this black netting. That's actually from the dollar store. So you can fill your trays up with our kits that you can start from us and then fill in the blanks with those extra little pieces. Our bead kit, you can see what we used our paint palette to just help us coordinate that. And tucked around the back, so the round tier trays are super fun. We have our wooden Halloween gnome. So a super easy project for you guys to paint, and it just does fill in some fun accessories for Halloween. For the kids, and adults too. So most of our projects are actually geared for adults, but we do have a DIY club, again, that complements our subscription box. This is a 3-piece set that comes with white and black paint. It has this fun little ghost, and the Hey Boo kit is what we call that one. Again, just fun pieces for Halloween. I'm not sure if you decorate for Halloween, and if you do, I'd love to know. These cute little plush witches. See, we call this our witch gnome. Comes with our book bundle. So there's a couple different stencils that you can choose from. Broom parking is one of my favorites. And this shelf sitter gnome is cute to accessorize on the tiered tray or on the book bundle. Again, so easy to decorate with on a shelf, on a mantle, in your kitchen, just somewhere that's easy to place. Our little kits come 3 sets of pumpkins, also our unpainted ghosts. They come with all the foam brushes and stencils that you need. So you can buy them individually or in a set of 3. You can see on the end of the table here we have the set of 3 pumpkins. So if you have any extra paint at home, doesn't need much paint at all. We also have our Homeworks Etc. acrylic paint. Those are the colors that we've used in our kit here are rustic, orange, black, and white. And in our deluxe subscription box as well, you can just purchase these individually as well. We have these candles from the 6 Cent Candle Company. They're all made locally. They're soy candles, and these ones we've chosen the wood wick. They have this awesome crackle noise when you light them, so we love that as well. This is the apple cinnamon, so scents for fall. Smells so good. As well, our pumpkin chai is another popular one. We sold out last year, so we made sure that we have lots in stock for you guys right now. So pumpkin chai, so it is pumpkin chai season. I'm sure you've had your lattes from Starbucks. This here is our workshop that's happening October 22nd. We're offering this workshop in person at Backyard Vineyard. So we're super excited to have workshops back in the works here. This one is for fall, so it's our mini display ladder, which you can see is freestanding. It does lean up against the counter as well. And this one comes with the mini ladder that you paint yourself. So we're gonna do that, as well as paint this little sign. And then it does come with the pine wreath, as well as the house bead kit. And that is already assembled. So we've chosen the projects so that they're really easy to paint. It is meant for a social time, so bring your friends and these little extra accessories are just for you to decorate at home. Again, that's October 22nd from 7 to 9 p.m. We do have limited seats left, so if you're interested in registering, I've put the link below so you can click and see some of the other upcoming events that we're hosting as well. So again, just a few projects that I wanted to showcase for you today. Super fun to paint. We try to make it easy and simple. The step-by-step instructions are included. And if you guys have any questions, you can always post in the comments below. So I hope you're having a great weekend. Happy creating. Bye.